Today's friend, we will learn this topic. The name of this topic is a preparing truth table for given circuit. Before this topic, we were explained this topic for previous video. You can see this video and you understand this topic. So let's go for today's topic, preparing truth table for given circuit. Here the name of the unit is Gates and Boolean algebra. So question is a explain truth table with Boolean expression and circuit diagram. Here Boolean expression given for the question. Boolean expression is a b naught c naught plus a naught b c. So I can explain this answer. The circuit diagram and logic symbol is as follows. Circuit diagram, here a, b or c is a variable and a is a naught, b is b naught, c is c naught. There is a complement of a, b and c. Here a, b naught and c is a AND gate and a naught, b, c is a AND gate. Then we can find the OR gate between a, b naught or c and a naught, b, c. The OR gate is a b naught c plus a naught b c. Here this symbol is a OR gate. Now let us see truth table for the Boolean expression. The truth table is a here a, b and c is a inputted variable. C is a 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1. Then b is a 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 and then a is a 4 times 0 and 4 times 1. Then I can do the complement of this variable like a then a naught 0 then 1 0 1 0 1 and then find the b's complement and then find the c's complement and then multiply by the a, b naught and c. Here multiply by a, b naught and c, then multiply by a naught, b or c. Then we can find OR gate for a, b naught and c plus a naught, b, c. Here we can find the OR gate. An explanation for truth table explanation. In this explanation, total 3 gates used. These are AND, OR and NOT gate. In the given Boolean expression, we have 3 input a, b and c variable. Next point, here we can find the complement of a, b and c as a naught, b naught and c naught. The rule of it can produce the inverted version of the input at its output. Next point, after this we can find a naught, b, c naught and a naught, b, c. These are the AND gate and NOT gate combinations. Then we can find the OR gate between a, b naught, c naught and a naught, b, c. The role of the OR gate is single input is high, the output 1 is obtained. The second question is explain and write the truth table for given logical circuit. This logical circuit is given by the question. Now we can prepare the Boolean expression for logical circuit. Boolean expression Q equals to A plus B. Now let us see a truth table for the Boolean expression. The truth table is as follows. A, B and C is a inputted variable. A and B is a multiplication of A and B. Here A and B's value are 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 and then inputted value A is at 4 times 0 and 4 times 1. We can multiply the A and B, then we can plus means के OR gate this A, B plus C like A, B and C. Here we can plus this equation. Now let us see an explanation for the truth table. Explanation. In this explanation, total 2 gate used. These are AND, OR gate. In the given Boolean expression, we have 3 input A, B and C variable. Then we need to A and B for the AND gate. The rule of the AND gate is whose output is high, that is 1. When both the inputted are 1, If a single input is 0, the output 0 will be obtained. Next point, then we can find the OR gate between A, B and C. The rule of the OR gate is single inputted 1 is high, the output 1 is obtained.